But how is cranberry sauce really made inside a modern cranberry sauce factory? It all starts with cranberries, harvested just days before they become cranberry sauce. As they heat, these berries explode with color and flavor for the cranberry sauce. In seconds, hot cranberry sauce fills hundreds of cans on this canning line. Every drop of cranberry sauce is carefully measured by automated equipment.
Welcome to our cranberry sauce factory. Today I'll show you exactly how we turn fresh cranberries into jellied cranberry sauce in a can.
Every can of cranberry sauce starts with carefully selected berries.
Come with us on this cranberry sauce factory tour, step by step.
This cranberry sauce line runs nearly non-stop during the holiday season.
Inside this modern cranberry sauce factory, automation and careful oversight work together.
Let's start where cranberry sauce begins, when the cranberries first arrive.
Fresh cranberries arrive at the cranberry sauce factory by the truckload from nearby bogs. These berries will be turned into jellied cranberry sauce within hours. The cranberries are dumped into flumes to be carried into the cranberry sauce factory. Water flumes gently move the cranberries so they're not bruised before becoming cranberry sauce. From raw receiving, cranberries flow into washing and cleaning systems designed for cranberry sauce production. Sugar, water, and sometimes pectin are staged nearby, ready to cook with the cranberries into smooth cranberry sauce.
The cranberry sauce formula is carefully controlled to get the right sweetness and gel.
Nearby, pallets of empty cans await filling with hot cranberry sauce. Lids, or can ends, are ready to seal in the cranberry sauce for long shelf life. From here, everything is designed to keep cranberry sauce clean, safe, and consistent. The first stop is washing, critical for any safe cranberry sauce. High-pressure sprays rinse the cranberries before they ever become cranberry sauce. Bubble tanks provide gentle agitation to clean the future cranberry sauce berries.
Debris is separated so only clean fruit moves on toward cranberry sauce production.
From washing, cranberries head to sorting before they can become cranberry sauce. Strict hygiene rules help keep cranberry sauce safe for millions of people.
Sugar quality is checked too, because it shapes the flavor and texture of cranberry sauce.
Measured pectin helps some cranberry sauce set into that familiar jellied shape.
With ingredients and packaging ready, this cranberry sauce factory can shift into full production. Next, the cranberries enter high-speed sorting before they become cranberry sauce. Optical sorters scan for defects and remove damaged berries before cranberry sauce cooking. Rejected fruit never reaches the cranberry sauce kettles. Technicians monitor every stage of cranberry sauce production from a central control room. Screens track berry flow, sugar concentration, and temperatures for the cranberry sauce mix.
The ratio of sugar to water must be exact for the right cranberry sauce texture.
Here, pectin is dosed automatically into the syrup for jellied cranberry sauce. Separate pipelines carry cranberries and syrup to the cranberry sauce kettles. Standard procedures keep cranberry sauce consistent from batch to batch. Acidity is tuned so cranberry sauce tastes bright, but safe and shelf-stable. Technicians confirm pH before syrups and cranberries cook into sauce. All this data feeds into a traceable record for every cranberry sauce batch. Sorted cranberries now meet their syrup inside the cranberry sauce kettles. Supervisors can see the entire cranberry sauce process from above.
Once everything checks out, cranberries and syrup head for cooking into sauce.
Now we enter the transformation stage, where cranberries become the cranberry sauce you recognize. Each kettle receives a precise load of fruit and syrup to cook into cranberry sauce.
Thousands of cranberries drop in at once for every batch of cranberry sauce.
As heat rises, cranberries start releasing juice and color into the sauce.
Under pressure, the skins burst, turning clear syrup into bright cranberry sauce.
Operators watch times and temperatures so cranberry sauce reaches the perfect thickness.
Gentle agitation keeps cranberry sauce from scorching while it thickens. Cooking to the correct temperature helps cranberry sauce set properly after cooling.
At the right moment, pectin is added for a firm, sliceable cranberry sauce.
Samples of cranberry sauce are drawn to check sweetness and consistency.
Sugar concentration, or Brix, is measured to meet cranberry sauce specifications.
Lab tests confirm that the cranberry sauce will gel and slice just right.
As moisture evaporates, the cranberry sauce becomes shiny and dense.
When tests pass, that batch of cranberry sauce is cleared for canning. The ideal cranberry sauce is thick enough to gel, but still smooth.
This is where simple cranberries truly transform into finished cranberry sauce. Once the cranberry sauce reaches target thickness, the boil is slowed. Each cranberry sauce batch is tracked for full traceability and safety. From here, hot cranberry sauce heads straight into cans while it's still fluid. Pipes carry hot cranberry sauce directly to automated fillers. First, empty cans for cranberry sauce are rinsed and prepared. Rinsing helps keep the cranberry sauce cans clean and safe. Next, cans enter the filler that precisely measures cranberry sauce into each one. Each nozzle delivers the same amount of cranberry sauce, can after can.
Thousands of cans of cranberry sauce can be filled in just an hour.
Sensors verify fill levels, so no cranberry sauce can is underfilled. Lids are applied and seams are formed while the cranberry sauce is still hot. This double seam locks cranberry sauce in, blocking air and contaminants.
A touch of steam reduces oxygen before the cranberry sauce cools.
Now the cranberry sauce cans go through thermal processing for safety. Retorts heat the cranberry sauce cans to kill any harmful microbes. Each load of cranberry sauce is processed according to a validated schedule. Data logs prove that the cranberry sauce reached its target conditions. Once complete, hot cranberry sauce cans move to cooling tunnels.
Cooling sets the cranberry sauce gel inside the cans.
As they cool, the cranberry sauce thickens into its familiar jellied form. Dry cans are ready for labeling and packing. Codes on top trace every cranberry sauce can back to its batch. Labels wrap each can, clearly marking it as Jellied Cranberry Sauce. Branding, nutrition facts, and ingredients tell you what's in the cranberry sauce. Robots stack cranberry sauce cans into boxes for shipping. From every batch, cranberry sauce cans are pulled for quality checks.
Weights are checked so every cranberry sauce can matches its label.
Seam integrity is measured to be sure cranberry sauce cans stay sealed.
Weights are checked so every cranberry sauce can matches its label.
Sample cans are opened to inspect the inside cranberry sauce texture.
The cranberry sauce should be firm enough to slice, but still tender.
Gel strength tests ensure the cranberry sauce holds its shape. Color readings confirm that the cranberry sauce looks rich and appealing.
Proved cranberry sauce is stored in a temperature-controlled warehouse.
Forklifts move cranberry sauce from storage to outbound docks. From here, cranberry sauce ships to grocery stores across the country. Soon, this cranberry sauce will be on shelves for Thanksgiving. Many cranberry sauce factories sit near bogs, shortening the trip from field to can.
From flooded bogs to a modern cranberry sauce factory, it's a carefully managed journey.
As holidays approach, the pace picks up and cranberry sauce ships out fast. Shipping documents help track every cranberry sauce load to its destination.
And that's how cranberry sauce is made today, inside our modern cranberry sauce factory.
That familiar jellied cranberry sauce shape comes from cooling right in the can.
Whether sliced or scoop, cranberry sauce is a holiday classic. Subscribe for more factory tours and how it's made videos, from cranberry sauce to other foods.
Tell us in the comments what you want to see made next after cranberry sauce.
Behind every simple can of cranberry sauce is a whole world of engineering and teamwork. From bog to can, cranberry sauce takes a complex journey you've just seen in action.
Click subscribe and check out our other factory tours after this cranberry sauce walkthrough.
There are many styles, but jellied cranberry sauce remains one of the most iconic.
Thanks for watching how we make cranberry sauce, from bog to can.
Next time you see a can of cranberry sauce, You'll know the story behind it.
Inside, the cranberry sauce lines keep running, ready for the next holiday season.
This was how cranberry sauce is made today, inside a modern cranberry sauce factory. See you in the next video.